No kitchen, no stove, no fridge, just a sealed pouch, a tiny spoon, and the will to survive. Military rations, or MREs, aren't just food. They're engineering. They're culture. They're a country's identity compressed into a single package. Today we're going country by country and breaking down what soldiers around the world actually eat when they're in the field. United States. MRE. The American MRE, meal, ready to eat, has been feeding U.S. soldiers since the 1980s, when it replaced old heavy tin cans. The nickname? Meals rejected by everyone. Each pack runs about 250 calories and covers a third of a soldier's daily needs. You get a main course, crackers, a spread, a dessert, a drink mix, and a flameless heater. Just add a few drops of water and your food is warm in 8 minutes. No fire needed. The fan favorites? Chili mac and beef ravioli. And yes, every single MRE comes with a tiny bottle of Tabasco. Because even in a war zone, bland food is unacceptable. France. Ursier. France doesn't do survival food. France does cuisine, even in combat. The Ursier is a full 24-hour ration, delivering 3,200 calories, and it includes things like duck mousse, salmon roulettes, and deer pâté. Real dishes, not approximations. Breakfast comes with instant coffee, fruit drinks, and cereal biscuits. Snacks include nougat, dark chocolate, and fruit candies. There's even a foldable mini stove for heating. And here's the wild historical fact. French troops received an actual wine ration as standard issue for most of the 20th century. Commanders treated it like ammunition. It wasn't phased out until the 1990s. China. Type 17. China's military rations have evolved dramatically. Early plow rations were basically hard biscuits, high calorie, long shelf life, zero enjoyment. The modern Type 13 and Type 17 packs use chemical self-heating and include fried rice, noodles, pickled vegetables, and rice porridge. Food that actually resembles what Chinese soldiers grew up eating. Tea is included as powder or tablet. For high-altitude operations in Tibet above 4,000 meters, China developed specialized variants with reformulated caloric profiles for reduced atmospheric pressure. Even military food has to adapt to geography. Italy, Razione K. Italy's military ration, the Razione K, is organized across an entire day. Breakfast includes cambella, a ring-shaped sponge cake meant to be dunked in coffee, and a small cordial bottle, a tradition originally meant to warm soldiers up that today is mostly symbolic. Lunch and dinner lean on pasta, ravioli, tortellini, real Mediterranean carbs for sustained energy. Pouched olive oil is included as both a calorie booster and a seasoning. Dessert brings nougat, fruit jellies, and chocolate biscuits. The ration comes in modules labeled A through G, so meals rotate and soldiers aren't eating the same thing every day. Japan. Type 2 pouch ration. Japan's self-defense forces eat rice. Always. The modern Type 2 pouch replaced old heavy cans that needed 25 minutes of boiling. Now a chemical heater and a little water gets the job done. The rice, when opened, is soft and slightly sticky, genuinely close to freshly cooked Japanese rice. Meals include mackerel in miso sauce, simmered vegetables, pickled sides, and canned fish. For dessert, yoken, a dense red bean jelly that's been military issue in Japan for over a century. Shelf-stable, calorie-dense, zero preparation required. Russia. ERP. Russia's individual ration pack is heavy, calorie-rich, and deeply traditional. The backbone is buckwheat, grechka, a roasted grain that's been feeding Russian soldiers since the Napoleonic Wars. Protein comes from tushanka, a slow braised canned meat with its own fat and gelatin, a product that dates back to Soviet industrialization in the 1940s. The beverage is black tea with sugar cubes. A folding stove and fuel tablets are included so the fat melts into a warm broth. In recent conflicts, however, soldiers were reportedly skipping official rations entirely and sourcing civilian food, a sign that the ERP, despite its tradition, has faced significant quality issues.